हाय बच्चों, आज आपको बताऊंगा कलर्स के बारे में। रेड, येलो, ब्लू, ब्लैक, पिंक, ग्रीन, सिल्वर, ऑरेंज। A for apple. A for apple. B. B for bird. B for bird. C. C for candy. C for candy. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jeep. J for jeep. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S. S for sheep. S for sheep. T. T for turtle. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. B. B for volcano. B for volcano. W. W for whale. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.